Right now, though, let's talk about deflation and beer. Many people have been warning about deflation. Maybe they wouldn't be so concerned if they had a beer. Bloomberg's Dave Wilson is here to explain, and I'm going to start with a question that I can't believe I'm asking, but why should we care about what's happening to beer prices?
Well, a couple of reasons, really. You know, a few months ago, we were talking about green shoots for the economy, getting out of recession. You can argue that what's going on in the beer market now is a green shoot in terms of inflation. You have Anheuser-Busch InBev and Miller Coors, the two biggest brewers in the country, coming out and saying, we're going to raise prices later this year. And there's the other issue, which we've seen as the recession has played out, the whole idea of consumers trading down, you know, buying cheaper products. You know, if these beer makers figured that a price increase would force them to trade down, maybe it's something they wouldn't be doing. So perhaps a vote of confidence in consumers' willingness to spend here.
So why would you see Anheuser-Busch and InBev, Anheuser-Busch InBev, I should say, and Miller Coors, these acquisitions, these mergers happen so fast I can barely keep up, faster than you could drink a can of beer. Why would they raise prices more later this year? I mean, why now?
Well, they're in a better position to do it, and the fact that you're tripping over the names kind of tells part of the story. You know, last year, Miller and Coors put their U.S. businesses together and came up with this joint venture, and of course, Anheuser-Busch ended up being bought by InBev, the Brazilian and Belgian brewer. Try saying that 3 times fast. But, you know, they have pricing power that they didn't have, and actually, if you look at the overall numbers, the government keeps track of, you know, you're talking about 5.3% increase in prices last year when inflation was flat.
We got to run, Dave. Thanks very much. We're back in 2.